Hello again from Aegis Armors. This week's project is a 2019 Mustang GT. Black, as you can see, black on black. Paint is definitely a little rough. A lot of water spotting, a lot of swirling. You can definitely see where it's been run through a brush style car wash because the lines kind of come across the front and then go up the sides. Also got something going on right here. Not quite sure what that is, but the vehicle also heavily water spotted. So we will probably end up being a little more aggressive on the pad and compound that we use in this vehicle. You can see spider webbing everywhere, and there's definitely going to be some heavy scratches to be removed once the spider web's done. See again all the water spotting on the back, the horizontals, and lots of scratching as well on this black plastic piece on the rear. So stay tuned for videos showing some of the paint correction before and after.
You see it too many times, people show paint correction in poorly lit areas. Not at Aegis Armors.